Magic Kingdom and our final day in Disneyland in our 2019 summer vacation in Orlando. We're going to take the monorail for the first time staying at a monorail loop to the Magic Kingdom, so we're excited about that. Just got into the park and Luke's already doing some pin trading. He's got a new hobby. So we're here at Park Open, the Magic Kingdom. We got the show going on. We're going to hit up Adventureland first this time, go to Frontierland and see what we can do there. Morning coffee time, right in front of the castle. We got good old Walt and Mickey right behind us.
Potatoes weren't even when you were born, so Disney wasn't even.
All right. So much fun, so much excitement, so much fun. A little squirt bathing underneath the full moon. Ain't that sweet?
So Luke and I are going to check out the Swiss Family Robinson Treehouse.
So this is a pretty cool treehouse fort, and it goes up pretty high. You get some good views.
So this is a pretty cool hidden gem in the Magic Kingdom. A lot of people bypass this, but literally it's like a big tree fort that represents the movie Swiss Family Robinson. It's really cool. It's like a little house up here in the trees. I don't know if you can see the view up here.
This is a treehouse. It's really cool. See, Luke, you see the castle? Nice little castle view from up here. Bedroom?
Are you up here, bro?
Yeah, I'm right here. Where are you at?
We're actually pretty high.
Luke wants to go up higher. It is pretty high. Just kidding.
You're afraid of kid rides, but then he goes on these things that are super high. It's crazy.
Here's the little bunk. It's really cool. It's a room. This is the highest point. Let's see Splash Mountain over there. Not allowed to climb up there.
Going all the way down here.
Talk to the princess.
Checking out a little Splash Mountain here. Right behind me is the drop.
Hello, everybody!
I got you, baby. I say this is the end of the finish for you.
This is one of the best drops in all of Disney World. Of course, the boat stops right where the waterfall is, so I get soaked. So I just went on Splash Mountain and Big Thunder, two of the better rides in all of Disney World. Splash Mountain is great because, number one, it's nostalgic, but it has a lot of good drops. It's long, it's worth the wait. Big Thunder's another great ride. It's 3 minutes, and it's a pretty good roller coaster. It's not insane like the Universal or Six Flags ones where your stomach's gonna be churning, but it's still fun and exciting. Everybody.
It's backed up in this room, but it's a good family ride. Not for everyone. We love it.
We're gonna be on this ride for like 25 minutes still, listening to this. Are we in line to meet, guys? The bad guy in Beauty of the Beast, I think, right? Gaston? The Beast is the bad guy, right?
I know, it can be hard to handle this much raw masculinity. Come here, little man, come over this way.
Here, Luke.
So tell me, how have you been trying to be like me? Start telling your friends you're better than they are.
We'll give your sisters.
All kinds of choices here.
I think you do that, Luke, right?
Anything that makes people realize that you're trying to help you. Ready for a portrait together? Drop your hands in front of you. Make them into fists. And you want to pull them up to your ears? There you go.
We're gonna go into Gaston's Tavern, and they got some sort of cinnamon, sort of special food item we're gonna try and sample.
Hi. These are cinnamon roll and there's the Goofster. Scared Riley. Magician Donald.
Get those very important documents. She's not scared of Donald. Come on up, Mom and Dad.
Scared of Donald.
I know, buddy.
Hello, people. Yes, you are. Look at my kids, so strong.
So we're making our way from Tomorrowland to Main Street, and we're gonna head out in a little bit, go back to the Polynesian, and then we're gonna come back here for a nightcap. Even though it's overcast today, it actually works out because the sun's not beating us down, and you know, they don't seem like threatening skies right now. Hopefully that stays the case. We've had our fair share of rain on this trip. You know, almost every afternoon we've had some sort of rain or thunderstorm.
She's doing a little photo shoot.
So this is our last night here at the Polynesian. So we're gonna head over to the Magic Kingdom via monorail. You know, the Polynesian obviously has a lot of great features, a lot of awesome things that, you know, we did. Trader Sam's Grotto was so cool. You gotta check out that vlog. Ohana is an awesome restaurant, love it. It's a great themed resort. We love the Fort Wilderness Lodge too. We also love the Beach Club. We love the Sapphire, we love the Cabana Bay. They were all great resorts on this trip. So it was nice to end, you know, at the Polynesian on the monorail loop. I'm definitely gonna miss my Polynesian god here, whatever his name is, rub his belly for good luck. So it's an absolutely stunning night right now. Very little humidity for Orlando and Florida. It's cooler, the sun's poked out, blue skies. So let's hope that we have a great last night at the MK. Definitely my favorite time in the parks, when the sun's going down and a lot of people are leaving. We're just coming. The lights are gonna come on soon. Different feel at night. There's a fun fact. I don't know if you can see the teenage toy groups all over the place. July is a month where there's a lot of teenage South American tour groups, a lot. And if you're a step behind them, you could really be messed up with your plans. You know, in terms of fast passes and things, or wait times and rides, it can really affect you. So just be aware of that.
Giant from the beanstalk.
So Nicole and I get to go on a mine train alone, just me and her.
It's like a date.
Yeah, it's like a
Day
date.
date.
Date night.
We may not come back. We may
Yeah.
leave the kids with Kimberly.
Yeah, Kimberly's watching the kids for a minute. So we fixing about to go on mine train.
Cheese.
Jeez. I'm gonna film Nicole's reaction.
My reaction?
Go down though.
My phone went.
Nicole's worried about her sunglasses and her looks.
My phone. You're filming yourself or me?
Well, heading here to the Plaza restaurant in Main Street. It's the first time ever here. So we are at the Crystal Palace for the first time. Very Victorian.
It's the Plaza.
So we were at the Plaza for the first time, and the Plaza is very similar to the Crystal Palace. It's got that Main Street Victorian little kind of decor. It's very small, so we'll check out this food menu.
It is.
So this is $22. That might be the biggest ripoff I've ever seen.
My salad that was lettuce and cucumbers and a little bit of cafeteria ranch dressing for $9. That's $22. That's like straight Stouffer's and some other microwaved.
Oh, we got Attack of the Mickey Hands. Spatulas. Not spatulas.
Yeah, you are.
Ooh. Homemade stuff.
These lines are outrageous right now, right before the fireworks. Love this time in the parks. Everything's all lit up. Main Street is absolutely a zoo because of the fireworks about to start. By the way, the Plaza, thumbs down. Glorified. It probably is actually not even glorified cafeteria food. It's just straight cafeteria food. They use the same stuff in like the counter service restaurants and charge a lot of money. You know, sit-down restaurants should be quality homemade stuff, not, you know, processed microwave stuff. $22 for mac and cheese that was literally like Stouffer's and Lloyd's barbecue from the grocery, just microwaved. And the appetizer, I had this salad that was like the biggest joke in the world. That was $9, and it was like crazy town. Little people mover at night here. Woo!
Oh, yeah, because woo! I might have a fast pass for that ride. I might have a fast
Never had it.
I just gave myself Mickey ears. So we had an excellent vacation in Orlando, Florida, from Universal to Disney World. We thank you guys for the support on YouTube. And if you're new to this channel, make sure you guys subscribe, like, hit the notification bell. We're just getting started with YouTube, less than a year old. We're going to continue to travel and do different vlogs. So thank you guys very much for all the support. So signing off from the DeRobertis Vacation 2019. See you soon.
Are you videoing it? I don't know if Luke's about. Luke maybe.